What if I told you that just 7 minutes a day could create an income stream that quietly grows in the background while you live your life? And no, this isn't drop shipping, not Amazon, not flipping, not surveys. It's something 99% of people don't even know exists. Yet the few who do, they're making more in a month than some make in a full-time job. Sound crazy, right? Don't worry, I thought the exact same thing, until I saw the numbers. But before I tell you what this 7-minute side hustle is, I need you to understand one thing. Every year you wait, you pay a hidden tax called lost opportunity. And most people don't realize how expensive that tax really is, because this side hustle becomes insanely powerful the longer you keep doing it. But almost nobody starts. We live in a time where everything is getting more expensive, but salaries are barely moving. You either build extra income streams, or you slowly get crushed. And the dangerous part? Most people won't feel the pain until it's too late. And that's when I discovered something that flipped the script completely. The 7-minute side hustle is simple. You create micro-digital assets, tiny pieces of content or value that work for you forever, even while you sleep. These could be 45-second educational clips, a carousel graphic, a short email template, a simple digital guide, a voiceover reel, a motivational snippet, a faceless reel for businesses. And each piece takes around 7 minutes to make. But here's the twist. You don't sell them directly. You license them, automate them, or upload them so they pay you repeatedly. If you think, but I'm not creative, relax. You don't need creativity, you need consistency. But let me show you why this works so shockingly well. People underestimate small actions. They think if something doesn't make money instantly, it's useless. But here's the truth. The biggest earning opportunities compound slowly, then hit all at once. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even digital marketplaces reward people who create micro assets. You just need one piece, to go viral, get licensed, or get purchased. And you've paid for months of effort. And that's exactly what happened to me when one simple 7-minute clip blew up. I posted a 7-minute micro asset, a short value-packed clip, and forgot about it. 1 week later, it hit 50,000 views. Then 120,000. My inbox started filling with DMs. Can we license this? Can you make something similar for our brand? Do you offer digital packs? But here's where it gets even more interesting. If you make just one micro asset a day, that's 30 assets a month, 360 in a year. Imagine 360 little workers earning for you day and night. Some will flop, some will do okay, and a few will explode. Every day you skip is a worker you never hired. And 1 year from now, you'll either have a portfolio of income-producing digital assets, or you'll look back wishing you started today. So let me break down exactly how you can start this today in less than 7 minutes. Here's your exact blueprint. Set a timer for 7 minutes and choose one of these. Option A, create a 45 seconds motivational voiceover clip, a finance tip with stock footage, a trending quote in carousel format, a simple before-after improvement graphic. Option B, repurpose. Take something you already know, notes, quotes, advice, and turn it into a micro asset. Option C, license. Upload your clips, graphics, or templates to platforms like Etsy, Canva Marketplace, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok Creativity Program, stock video libraries. You build once. You earn many times. But the real magic happens when you stack them. And that brings us to the final act. Once you hit around 50 to 100 micro assets, something changes. You stop chasing money. Money starts chasing you. Brands reach out. Platforms push your content. Marketplaces send you payouts. You finally feel what financial momentum actually is. And it all started with a side hustle that took just 7 minutes a day. If you want to turn this 7-minute habit into multiple streams of income, I just uploaded a video breaking down exactly how I'm building several income streams in 2025, step by step. Tap the video on your screen right now, and I'll show you how to stack these micro assets into a full digital income ecosystem. Start today, or stay exactly where you are. The choice is yours.